While most people are focused on chasing the next meme coin or riding crypto's wild price swings, a smarter group of investors is quietly doing something different. They're parking their wealth in one asset that's outlasted empires, market crashes, and every economic meltdown in history: gold. But not just any gold. We're talking about a powerful new way to own real, physical gold on the blockchain. It's called tethered gold, or UAXT, and it combines the reliability of gold with the accessibility and speed of crypto. We'll dive into the details in just a moment. I just want to welcome you all to the channel. I'm the DeFi Doctor, Head of Education here at Decentralized Masters. So without further ado, let's get to it. Here's the big idea. Imagine owning real gold bars stored in a Swiss vault, the same kind of gold used by central banks and governments. Now imagine holding that gold in your crypto wallet, being able to send it across the globe instantly, and even redeeming it for physical delivery if you choose so. That's UAXT. Each UAXT token is backed by 1 full troy ounce of investment grade gold. You're not holding paper claims, ETFs, or synthetic assets. You're holding real gold with all the benefits of blockchain tech. In this video, we'll break it all down. Why gold still matters in today's economy. What makes UAXT different from any other gold token. How tethered gold works under the hood. And how you can use it to protect and grow your wealth. So, if you're looking for something stable, proven, and powerful in your portfolio, UAXT might be your golden ticket. Let's rewind for a second. Why is gold still relevant? Gold has been the store of value for over 5,000 years. While fiat currencies like the dollar have lost more than 90% of their value in the last century, gold has preserved purchasing power across generations. During inflation spikes, recessions, and wars, gold tends to shine. It's not just a hedge, it's the ultimate safe haven. In the 1970s, gold surged during double-digit inflation. In 2008, when financial markets collapsed, gold jumped over 25%. And again, in 2020, gold hit all-time records, while global uncertainty skyrocketed. But owning gold traditionally hasn't been easy. Buying physical bars means storage, security, insurance, or trusting a bank. Gold ETFs solve some of that, but you're just trading paper, not the metal itself. UAXT changes the game. It brings physical gold into the crypto world, and that unlocks a whole new level of flexibility and power. Now, before we get deeper into UAXT, let's break down tokenization. Tokenization is the process of turning a real-world asset, like a gold bar, into a digital token on the blockchain. Each token represents a fraction, or in the case of UAXT, exactly 1 ounce of that physical asset. So instead of buying, storing, and insuring a heavy gold bar, you just own a token in your crypto wallet that gives you the same exposure backed by the real thing. This changes everything. You can now fractionally own assets that used to be reserved for the wealthy. You can transfer ownership globally in seconds. You cut out the middlemen and the gatekeepers. Tokenized gold is gold for the digital age. And tethered gold, UAXT, is one of the leading projects doing all of that at scale. Alrighty, let's break down how tethered gold actually works. Each UAXT token is backed by 1 troy ounce of real gold held in Swiss vaults. This isn't gold IOUs or speculative leverage. This is fully allocated investment-grade physical bullion. Here's how the mechanics look. Issuer. UAXT is issued by Tether, the same company behind USDT, the most used stablecoin in the world. Whether you love or hate Tether, they've proven they can scale. Custody. The gold is held securely in Switzerland, under the custody of a regulated third party. Investors can even view the serial numbers of the gold bars backing their tokens. Redeemability. UAXT tokens can be redeemed for physical gold, with a minimum redemption of 50 UAXT or 50 ounces. Delivery is available to certain jurisdictions and can be arranged through Tether's own redemption process. Blockchain. UAXT lives on both the Ethereum and Tron blockchains, making it versatile and low cost, depending on which chain you choose to use. Audits and transparency. Tether provides reports and gold bar lists for transparency. It may not be as decentralized as some projects, but it offers verifiable proof of reserves tied to each token. So, in short, each UAXT token is a one-to-one representation of real, deliverable gold. You can track, store, and transfer it globally, all from your wallet. And as of now, one UAXT token trades at around $3,392 at the time of this filming, depending on the market gold prices. Let's talk real-world applications. Why should anyone care about tokenized gold like UAXT? Wealth preservation. With inflation eating away at fiat and crypto volatility making heads spin, gold offers stability. UAXT gives you that hedge digitally. Borderless transfers. Send gold like you send USDT, instantly, globally. No customs, no middlemen, no delays. Fractional exposure. Even though each UAXT equals 1 ounce of gold, you can still buy smaller amounts on exchanges. That makes it accessible even if you don't have thousands to invest. Trading pair and liquidity. UAXT trades on exchanges like OKX and Bybit and can be paired with crypto or fiat stablecoins. Physical redemption. If you want to stack real metal, you can redeem UAXT for actual bullion and have it delivered to select regions. Portfolio diversification. UAXT offers a powerful way to diversify your crypto portfolio with an asset that's been time-tested for millennia. Imagine this: Bitcoin tanks 30% in a week. Your gold stays stable. UAXT becomes your anchor. It's like holding a slice of Switzerland in your cold wallet. And there you have it. Tethered Gold, or UAXT, is bringing one of the oldest, most stable assets in the world into the modern digital age. Whether you're worried about inflation, looking to hedge crypto volatility, or just want an easy way to own real gold, UAXT gives you the power to own, trade, and even redeem physical gold, all from your crypto wallet. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you trust Tether to hold your gold? Would you consider UAXT for your portfolio? Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives in the best digital assets reshaping our financial future. Stay golden, my friends, stay decentralized, and I'll see you in the next one.